Hi there, I'm Daniel Rodriguez Schlorf, Lotus, and I'm a weekend coordinator for Rainbow Warrior Gathering 2019. RWG is a gathering for LGBTQ+ men who've successfully completed the New Warrior Training Adventure. It takes place centrally located in Bedford, Indiana, from August 15th to 18th. Early bird rate is still only $95 until July 4th. Click below for more details on how to register. In this video, I want to talk about workshops and the No Talent Show. So let's talk workshops. Exploring ourselves is central to RWG. In the past 2 years, there have been some practical offerings such as The Joy of Money, Overcoming Your Money Shadow, and 5 Vital Keys to Boost Your Productivity. Another track of workshops focuses on the experience of mind, body, spirit, with the Physicality of Maleness, a movement workshop, or Music and Healing, both offered in 2017. Another man offered yoga throughout the weekend in 2018, and he will be back again in 2019 to welcome each new day with us. In 2018, an award-winning author, also a warrior brother, offered a workshop titled Writing Your GBT Story, which was offered because each coming out story is indeed a hero's journey in its own right. Perhaps you're really good at what you do, so maybe you have a workshop in you that you'd like to share. Click the link below and send in a proposal. Workshops will be selected by July, so get your submissions in today. Next, the No Talent Show is said to be the highlight of the last evening. In 2017, all of the acts were woven together in a central plot. But in 2018, we were fortunate to welcome a drama professor to the stage. He created a cabaret experience for us to enjoy, and the same warrior brother will direct this coming year's show. What will he do next? We've had comedians, singers, lip syncs, recited poetry, dancers, American Indian fluting, and many other untalented people sharing their not gifts. If you'd like to participate in the No Talent Show, there will be a soft audition on Thursday afternoon and again on Friday morning. The soft audition is not to weed anyone out, it's just so the director can place you in the right spot. And remember, all are welcome, even if you have talent. So register for RWG 2019 using the link below. Until July 4th, the cost is only $95. See ya on August 15th.